In the 21st century, digital data has become one of the most valuable assets for a company, and as a result, protecting that data from risks and compromises has become mandatory. This is where data security comes into play. Data security encompasses all the efforts made by a company to keep its data safe and free from unauthorized access or breaches. In this video, we'll discuss how data security works, the difference between data security and data privacy, the concept of data protection, the threats to data security, and the role of API security in protecting data. So let's get started. First things first, I'm sure you're wondering, how exactly does data security work? It involves establishing baseline data security standards and continuously maintaining and evolving those standards in response to emerging threats, changes in the IT environment, and the ever-growing amount of data. The first step is to identify all the data stored across the enterprise, which can be spread across databases, applications, and endpoints. It's crucial to find all data sources, both physical and digital, to ensure comprehensive protection. Once the data architecture is mapped out, data security solutions are implemented. These solutions vary depending on the organization, but generally include cybersecurity tools for detecting, blocking, and remediating cyber attacks. Access management tools also play a vital role in verifying and validating user access privileges. It's important to have the right combination of cybersecurity measures in place to defend against potential threats. In addition to implementing security solutions, developing a data security policy is crucial. Policies govern how users interact with data, from choosing strong passwords to managing email inboxes. They also outline how current and future technologies handle enterprise data, including storage and cybersecurity measures. A well-defined data security policy is as important as having the right security solutions in place. It's important to note that data security management is an ongoing process. It requires constant review and adaptation as companies store more data in various locations within dynamic IT environments. Data security measures need to evolve to stay effective in the face of evolving threats. Now, let's differentiate between data security and data privacy. While related, they are distinct concepts that require separate efforts. Data privacy focuses on restricting access to specific types of data and giving individuals control over their private information. It involves managing data collection, storage, and usage according to privacy policies. On the other hand, data security aims to defend all data from any form of loss or compromise, regardless of whether privacy is at risk or not. Data security involves implementing cybersecurity measures, user training, and data security policies to prevent attacks. And let's not forget about the third side of the triangle: data protection. While data security is about preventing negative impacts on data, data protection focuses on mitigating those impacts. Data protection primarily revolves around secure data recovery systems that enable companies to recover lost or corrupted data in the event of an attack. Robust backup and restore functions are crucial for data protection, acting as a fail-safe for data security. Now let's discuss the threats to data security. One of the primary concerns is cyber attacks. From ransomware to phishing schemes, cyber attacks are becoming more sophisticated and successful in breaching enterprise data. Compliance is another threat, as companies must adhere to regulations mandating data security and privacy. Insider threats, whether intentional or unintentional, can also compromise data security. Finally, the shift to cloud computing poses risks, as data in transit or at rest within insecure cloud environments becomes vulnerable. But I know you may be wondering, who is responsible for data security? The answer is actually everyone within your organization, including third-party partners with access to data, shares some responsibility for data security. Even a single individual with minimal access rights can cause a data security breach. Before we get out of here, it's also important to explore the role of API security in data security. APIs, or application program interfaces, act as gateways to applications and the data they contain. While APIs enable efficient information exchange, they can also pose a threat to data security if not properly configured. Insecure APIs have been exploited in major data breaches, highlighting the need for API security. API security is crucial for upholding data and network security, preventing attacks, and ensuring business continuity. To learn more about API security, I recommend visiting us at nonamesecurity.com.